Today we will see parabola by rectangle method. First of all, we need to write problem statement. For that, go to text and select multi-text option and write problem statement here. A ball thrown in air attains 10 mm height and covers horizontal distance horizontal distance 15 mm on ground. Draw the path of the ball. This is the problem statement. Here, a ball is thrown in air at an 10 mm height and covers horizontal distance 15 mm. First of all, we will draw a rectangle. Horizontal distance is 15 and vertical distance is 10. So click anywhere on screen. This is the first point of a rectangle. Draw horizontal line. So horizontal distance is 15. Enter. Vertical distance is 10. Enter. Again horizontal distance is 15. Enter. And vertical distance is 10. This is the rectangle. Here a problem statement is not visible properly. So double click over here. Select problem statement and change the text height. Here text height is 0.2. I'm giving 0.5 and enter. Here you can see the height is enlarged. Now we will move it. So select move command, select problem statement, press enter, select any point from where we can move it. The next step is divide this rectangle into two equal parts. Go to line command, select midpoint and draw vertical line. In this way we can divide rectangle into equal number of parts. As you know, vertical distance is 10 mm. To show the dimension, go to dimension. Here linear dimension we can use. Select two endpoint, first, second, and can show the dimension. Here double click on dimension, select a dimension, can change the font, that is 0.3, and enter. Next step, divide this vertical distance into equal number of parts. So we will divide into 5 equal number of parts. Total distance is 10 mm. Go to line command, click over here and give the vertical distance to, enter, and draw horizontal line without dimension and come out from the command. For to divide the vertical distance, we use offset command. Go to offset. We need to specify distance. So distance will be 2. Enter. Select object. This is the object and click on screen. So in this way we can divide vertical distance. Next, total horizontal distance is 150, that is 15 mm. Half of that is 7.5, and if we want to divide into 5 equal parts, so each distance will be 1.5. Click over here, draw horizontal line for 1.5 mm distance, enter, then draw vertical line without any dimension, then go to offset command, give the distance, that is 1.5, enter, select object and can offset it. To come out from the command, press escape. Here, this is the point D. It is, this is point D. And this is C. So I will copy it. Go to copy command, select object, press enter, select base point and can move. This is the point C. So double click over here, give the point C and click anywhere on screen. Now we will join all the lines to the D. So join line to D point. So in this way we can join line and delete this line. We don't need this line. We will delete it. Next is draw vertical line. First of all, we will give name. So copy it, select object, press enter, select and give the name to all the points. This is point 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Again we will move it. It is not done. So double click. This is first point, second, third, point 3 and point 4. Next is we need to draw vertical line from the point 1 and it will touches to the line 1D. So go to line command, draw vertical line and extend it. It is not properly extended, that's why we will extend beyond the 1D line. Same procedure will follow for point 2, for point 3 and point 4 also. Then delete extra line. So for that we can use erase command and erase all the lines. Here we want to draw ellipse, but there are some extra line, so we will trim it. For that, use trim command. Go to trim command, select trim. Here I want to trim this line from this 1D line. So 1D will be the boundary. So select 1D line, press enter, and the line which you want to trim, you can select it. Select and press enter. Again go to trim command. This is boundary line, press enter and select trim. Go to trim command. This is boundary line, press enter and trim. And last, trim command, select line, press enter and we can trim it and press escape. Here we have drawn half part. Now we will mirror it. Go to mirror command, select all the lines, press enter, specify first mirror line, first point of mirror line. So this is D point is the first mirror point and C point is second mirror point. Here we don't want to erase source object, so press N from keyboard and then enter. Now here we need to draw parabola. For that I am using different color. Go to bilayer, select any one color. Here I have selected red color. Go to arc command, select 3-point arc and draw arc from these 3 points. First, second and third. Again use arc command, select the points. This is first, second and third. You can mirror it or you can make 3-point arc, first, second and third. So in this way we can complete parabola by rectangle method. Now we'll show the dimension. It is horizontal distance and it is 15. Change color here, linear dimension. Here I am using linear and it is 15. So in this way we have completed parabola by rectangle method.